Okay, student, then today we are going to start the numericals based on the simple definition of the speed, velocity, acceleration, distance, displacement. Okay, so there's a first question. A cyclist cover a distance of 1.5 kilometer. A cyclist cover the distance of 1.5 kilometer in the 2.5 minute. Time taken by the cyclist is 2.5 minute. Calculate the speed. Its answer will be very simple. First of all, write the distance. Distance is 1.5 kilometer. Firstly, you have to convert all the given quantities in the SI unit. So it will be the 1500 meter. To convert from kilometer to meter, we have to multiply by 1000, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and the time taken is given 2.5 minute. So convert into the SI unit. SI unit will be second. So in 1 minute there is 60 second. So 2.5 into 60 equal to 150 second. Therefore, we are knowing the formula of the speed. Speed equal to distance upon time. Distance is 1500 and the time is 150. It will be cancelled out in the 10 times. So the speed will be 10 meter per second. This is the second question in which there is a truck. But मैंने कार बना दिया. Anyway, कोई problem नहीं है. कार हो, truck हो. It is moving with 36 kilometer per hour in the starting, but in the 5 second it acquires the velocity of 72 kilometer per hour. मतलब ये जो ट्रक बस कार जो भी आप कह लो, ये पहले 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से चल रहा था. 5 सेकंड में इसने 72 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड को अचीव कर लिया. देन फाइंड एक्सेलरेशन इन द बस. Firstly, write the given data. U means initial velocity, which is 36 kilometer per hour. Final velocity V, which is 72 kilometer per hour. And time is 5 seconds. Always in the examination, firstly write the given data. To convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second, you should multiply by 5 by 18. It will be 10 meter per second. And similarly, 72 will be multiplied by 5 by 18 and it will be 20 meter per second. And time is 5 seconds. You are knowing the formula of acceleration. A is equal to V minus U upon T. V is 20, U is 10 and T is 5. 10 by 5 equal to 2 and unit will be meter per second square. This will be the unit. This is the next question. A truck moves 10 kilometer along the straight road along east in 50 seconds. Calculate the speed and velocity of the truck. Firstly, what is the distance? Distance is 10 kilometer. What is the displacement? Since road is the straight road, so the distance will be equal to displacement in magnitude, and the direction is east. So this will be the displacement. What is the time? Time is 50 seconds. Convert it into the meter. Along east. In the displacement, you have to write the direction because this is a vector quantity. Now you can easily calculate speed equal to distance upon time. Speed will be 200 meter per second. And what will be the velocity? Velocity equal to displacement upon time. Displacement is again 200 meter per second, and velocity has the same direction as the direction of displacement along east. So this will be the difference. In the speed there is a no direction, but in the velocity there should be the magnitude as well as direction. Okay, then here's a question number 4. A car moving with a speed of 100 meter per second and on applying the brake it comes in rest in 5 seconds. Then find the retardation. Okay, so let's do it. What is the initial velocity of the car? What is retardation? First of all, retardation means negative acceleration. Okay, retardation nothing else, it is the negative acceleration. It means suppose the speed of the car is decreasing, it means it has the negative acceleration, and in that situation we will call it retardation. So we will use the formula of acceleration as well. What is the initial velocity? Initial velocity is 100 meter per second. And what is the final velocity? You can see the car is finally come at rest. So the rest means 0 meter per second. And what is the time interval? Is 5 seconds. So let's calculate the acceleration. Acceleration is equal to v minus u upon t. Understand, I am going to calculate the acceleration. V is 0. Minus u is 100 and time is 5. Minus 100 upon 5, 20. So here acceleration is equal to minus 20 meter per second square. This implies that retardation will be 20 meter per second square. ध्यान देना कि रिटार्डेशन अपने आप में ही एक निगेटिव वर्ड है, तो इसके साथ निगेटिव लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको, ठीक है। ये नहीं कि दोबारा भी यहां पर भी आप जो है निगेटिव साइन प्लेस कर दो, फिर गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, ठीक है। Okay, student, this is a question number 6. Not sorry, question number 5. A boy is moving with velocity of 5 meter per second accelerates for the 5 second at the rate of 2 meter per second square. Find the final velocity. V is question mark, U is given, and the time is also given, and the acceleration is 2 meter per second square. So we have to calculate the V. We are knowing the formula A is equal to V minus U upon T. So put the values. A equal to 2, V means V, U means 5, and T means 5. Cross multiply. 2 into 5 will be 10, equal to V minus 5. Transfer the minus 5 this side. 10 plus 5 equal to V. Then V equal to 15 meter per second. This is very simple question. V is equal to 15 meter per second.